Hi, I'm Danielle Ponzio, and I am a hip and knee replacement surgeon at Rothman Orthopaedics. I knew from a pretty young age that I wanted to be a doctor. I grew up with a father who's an orthopedic surgeon, and so that was early on inspiration. I felt really compelled to follow in his footsteps because I saw that he had a positive impact on his patients on a consistent basis growing up as a young kid, and thought that was really the neatest thing. Every patient may have some degree of arthritis in their hip or their knee, and surgeries actually are kind of repetitive in a way, but they're also very personalized to that patient because everyone's unique in some way. I think that's probably one of the best signs that you've built a relationship with your patients, a trusting relationship, when you start to see families and friends coming from your patients. And so that speaks volumes, and I think that that's really how we build a reputation that is so positive. It feeds on itself. And then the nice thing is that we're in a group here where we've got every subspecialty covered. And so in that sense, I can turn to my colleague and really help my patients in every which way when it comes to their musculoskeletal care. And that's how we built Rothman Orthopaedics. If you suffer from hip or knee arthritis, or perhaps have a prior joint replacement that is causing you pain, I would love the opportunity to provide care for you. To book an appointment with me, Dr. Danielle Ponzio, please visit rothmanortho.com.